Let's start the installation. First launch the Automatic1111 Webui. Open this GitHub URL, copy the URL, then navigate to the extensions tab and install from URL. Here paste this URL and click on install. Once the installation is complete, go to the install tab. It is a best practice to check for updates for any of the installed extensions. And then click on apply and restart UI. Now the web UI is restarted. Navigate to the extras tab, scroll to the very bottom, and you should be able to see the old photo restoration tab. If this tab does not appear, then follow these steps. So you need to install Visual Studio 2020 with C++ components and CMake component. Once you do that, try to install the extension again and it should work. The next step is to download the checkpoints. So we have to download the 3 checkpoints and put it in the respective folder. So global checkpoints should go in the global folder. So if we go to the extensions folder, old photo restoration folder, we have 3 folders already created: global, face enhancement, and face detection. So the first one goes in the global folder. Open this link and download global_checkpoints. So this is global_checkpoints. Let's download it in the global folder. Next, we need to download face checkpoints and put it in face enhancement. Face checkpoints, face enhancement. Make sure don't get confused between face detection and face enhancement. In the third file, go in the face detection. We will wait for the download to finish. The files have finished downloading. Let's go back to the folder. We need to extract those zip files. So go in the global folder, extract that zip file. Make sure you use, if you are using 7-zip, make sure you use extract here. Once the extraction is complete, let's go to face enhancement folder and repeat the same step. Once the extraction is complete, next is face detection. So let's use another method, extract all. In that case, we need to remove the folder name from here. So it should show the installation directory, face detection, and then extract. You should see the .dat file. So this completes the installation. Next, we need to relaunch the web UI. So we are going to close the server and relaunch the web UI again. Web UI is restarted. Go to the extras tab and scroll to the bottom. So let's understand these options. So processing order, this defines whether the restoration should happen on the specified image first, or it should first upscale, then restoration should happen. Then process scratch. So some images may have scratches. In that case, you may want to select this option. If you want to restore the faces, then you can choose this option. And high resolution. So this option will only work if one of these options is selected. So let's try. So let's try to restore one of the image. I've downloaded some of the old images. So we have to drag and drop the image here. So I want to do the restoration first, and I will use page restore and then click on generate. The processing is now completed. Let's review the output. In the left, we see the input image, and the right, this is the processed image. So let's look at close. So I do see there is some improvement in the image, not the quality I would expect, but still a bit better than the original one. Let's try with another image. So I see there are scratches in the images. Let's try the other option. And let's also select high resolution. So the processing is completed. As we see that there were scratches in the input image, but this one looks pretty better. When we look up close, we do see some issues like these black spots that are appearing on the face. So you decide if this is the output that you are looking for, then you can definitely use this tool. Thank you.